Maybe you got a BMW car. Maybe you've got a BMW motorcycle. Maybe you're lucky enough to have both. Either way, if you've got a BMW that you're proud of and you'd love the chance to show it off, we have the perfect event for you. On Saturday, August 22nd, we invite you to join us here at High Road Motorsports in Langley for our second annual BMW Show Shine. This event is all about bringing the entire BMW community together. Whether you own a classic, a restoration, a custom build, or a modern performance model, or simply a BMW with an incredible story, bring it out, be a part of the show. We will have the People's Choice Award for Best BMW Car and Best BMW Motorcycle, with each winner receiving a $250 High Road Motorsports gift certificate. This event runs from 11 to 4 p.m. with registered vehicles rolling on the lot at 10 a.m. And here's the best part, it's completely free to display your BMW. Not bringing a vehicle? Don't worry about it. Admission is free for the entire community. So come check out these incredible machines and vote for your favorites. Register your BMW through the link below, and we hope to see you and your BMW here on Saturday, August the 22nd at High Road Motorsports in Langley. Elevate your ride, take the high road.